Akshata's Recipes. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today's recipe, like all my other recipes, is going to be super simple, super easy with very few ingredients and gets ready also very quickly, and the end result is just super delicious. So without much further ado, let's just jump straight ahead into today's recipe. So friends, let's start with today's lovely caramel custard recipe. So I'm going to start by making the caramel. So here I've taken half a cup of sugar and 1/4 cup of water, added the two to my cake pan in which I'm going to make the custard, and I've directly kept it over a low to medium flame. I've not stirred it or anything. I've just kept it till I see that the color of the sugar changes, and I'm going to let it darken a bit, and then I'm going to switch off the flame and I'm going to completely cool this. Now I also have my steamer ready, so we are going to steam this custard. And now for the other ingredients. So here I've got 3 eggs. I've just beating up the eggs. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Again, mix everything well. Now goes in 1 cup of milk. I'm going to mix everything really well together. And I'm going to add half a cup of sugar. That's all the ingredients we need. Now just whisk this mixture really well till all of the sugar dissolves. This should take you about a minute or so. And now, since we're looking for a very smooth custard, I'm going to run this through a sieve or a sift, so that if there are any particles of the sugar or of the egg, they all don't go into the custard, and we get a lovely smooth custard texture. And now my steamer is also ready, and the caramel is also set. So I'm just going to pour my mixture over the caramel, and I'm going to place this cake pan into my steamer. I'm going to cover it, and I'm going to put a timer on my clock for 20 minutes on a high flame, and we're going to steam this on a high flame for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, switch off the flame and let the steamer cool down on its own completely. Then open the steamer and just check that the custard is ready by inserting a sharp instrument or a knife. And if the knife or the instrument comes out smooth, that means the custard is all set. And now we're going to refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours. After refrigeration, we're just going to run a knife through the edges of the custard. And then we're just going to put it on top of a plate, just tap it a bit, and then you can feel the custard coming out easily. And there's the beautiful caramel custard. You can look at the beautiful golden brown color of the caramel, and a little bit of the caramel does ooze out to the sides. So now let's cut into this beautiful caramel custard. And it tastes best when it's nice and chilled from the refrigerator. And that's it, friends. Our caramel custard is all ready. So do give this recipe a try. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching today's recipe. I hope you go and give it a try. It's super simple, and the end result, of course, is going to be delicious. So do let me know if you do try out this recipe and how it turns out. Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, leave your comments, or if you have any queries about today's recipe, just feel free to leave it down in the comment section below. Also, the entire recipe with all the measurements are in the description box below. All my links to my Instagram, my Facebook account and my blog are all in the description box below. Also friends, if you're looking for any of my recipes, as I have more than 500 recipes on my channel, all you need to do is in the YouTube search button, just type Akshata's recipes, and suppose you're looking for, say, Shira. So Akshata's recipes Shira, Akshata's recipes Upma or Biryani, anything you're looking for, just type Akshata's recipes either before or after, whatever you're looking for, and my recipe will pop up first. Also at the end of the video you'll see 2 boxes coming up. Those are my recipes. If you want to see them, just click on them. In the middle of the video you'll see something coming up in white saying suggested. Those are also my videos. If you want to watch them, just click on them. So having said all of that, thank you so much for being here today. Thank you so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Do spread the word about my channel to your family and friends by sharing my recipes with them. And that's all. Thank you so much, and take care of yourselves. Stay healthy, stay fit, and be kind and loving to one another. And I'll catch you soon in my next video. Sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.